Hi, this video is about how to precisely positioning an object in 3D. For example, let's drag something out and place it on the wall. Okay, to move it, you can just drag the arrow around the object. But what if I want to place it exactly at the right place? Okay, to do so, you can select the object and then click on the size inquiry button on the top menu here. Then move the cursor around the object to check the object position. Right? You can just click on the number displayed and modify the distance here. Okay, then this one, 1500, enter. Okay, again, let's say 900, enter. Then right click to finish. And the same steps can be applied to object which is on the floor. Okay, so we just repeat the same steps. Click on the size inquiry button and change the number. Okay, then right click to end.